Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact instance or component you want to undo. Once selected, make a quick duplicate of the frame so you can compare changes. This is your safety copy. Make sure you have edit permissions because some actions require ownership. If you already changed the main component versus only the instance, that distinction matters. It determines whether you will reset instance, detach instance, or use version history. Now move to the next step to restore the original. You now decide between reset and detach. Reset instance immediately restores the instance to the current main component. Use it when you want the default look back. Detach instance converts the instance into normal layers so you can manually remove edits without linking to the master. Use it when edits must be preserved. If the master component itself was altered, swap the instance to the correct main component or open version history to restore the original master. This keeps consistency across your file. Finally, when in file actions don't recover the original, use version history to revert the file or copy the previous master component back into the current file. You can preview versions, name a restore point, and restore selectively by copying only the component you need. Once done, make sure to reapply any small overrides you want to keep. Troubleshooting tip. If reset or restore doesn't match expectations, compare against your duplicate backup and manually reapply properties. This often fixes mismatched fills, text, or constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.